everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. It is the week of Christmas, and out of everything that I have cooked, everything that I have baked, this is the recipe or the holiday snack that my children have been waiting on. It is one of our favorites. All of my children enjoy this snack. Family members enjoy this snack. I even have a godson who is originally from New York City. Blaine loves this snack as well. So let me share with you the ingredients that we're going to use, or that I will be using to make this holiday snack. Okay? Now, all of my ingredients this go around, they're coming from Aldi. So this is the Aldi brand. Usually you use the Rice Chex cereal, but Aldi has rice squares, okay? And then I like to use the crunchy peanut butter. You can use the regular peanut butter, but we enjoy the extra crunch that the peanuts give in the peanut butter. So this is Aldi's Peanut Delight Crunchy Peanut Butter. Then we have our semi-sweet chocolate morsels. You're going to need a bag of this. Of course, I will leave the recipe in the description box below. And then we're going to need a stick of butter, and it is unsalted. Now, let me go on and get my, I'm going to throw my butter in here, but I'm getting ready to bring you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. But in the meantime, at least it can kind of start melting. Now, some people, when they mix this up, they like to mix it up in a bowl. I like to, once I add my powdered sugar, I like to put everything in a paper bag. So what I do is, when I'm in the grocery store, I usually ask for an extra paper bag. Now this time I had to buy a paper bag because I was in Aldi. So I had to spend 7 cents on a new unused paper bag. But to me, it's just easier to mix everything up using a paper bag, okay? So let's get this mixed up real quick. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to do. Of course, if you're allergic to peanuts or peanuts, I was going to say peanuts or peanut butter, but peanuts, you can't enjoy this recipe. So just make sure that you don't have any family, friends, or whomever is allergic to peanuts, because you are using the peanut butter in this recipe, okay? All right, now when I tell you guys this is so easy, I've already added my butter to my saucepan, and some people like to do this in the microwave, but I just prefer to do this on my stove top. You have to be really careful when you're trying to melt chocolate in the microwave because it's easy to burn. So I just like to do everything on my stove top and just keep it simple. That way I don't have to stop the microwave every 30 seconds. Okay? We're just going to dump everything in here. My butter. Here's our chocolate. Peanut butter. Now we usually use, I like to use about a cup of peanut butter, so I'll need about half of this jar. And if you use more than a cup of peanut butter, it's okay. It is okay. And as everything is melting, it also smells so good. You want to make sure everything is thoroughly mixed up and melted before you add your cereal. Okay, now it looks like everything has melted pretty good. And be careful, do not Just be mindful about having your temperature up too high because you don't want to scorch your chocolate, okay? And then we're just gonna pour in the cereal. I'm turning off my burner. Some people add a little bit of vanilla flavoring to this. I usually don't. To me, it really doesn't make a difference. But then again, maybe it does. So feel free to do that. I think it's also easier to mix this up with my little flat spatula that I have. And of course you can't help but break up some of the rice, the cereal, but just try to be as gentle as you can so you won't just crumble it all up. And then also the best part, you guys, the big clumps of chocolate and cereal and powdered sugar, that's the best part. When you get a big old clump, a hunk of chocolate. And you just want to make sure that you try to get some chocolate on all of the cereal. You see how that's not coated right here? We need to make sure we get some chocolate on all of the cereal. Now you guys, this is just the first batch I'm doing. I'm going to have to make this 3 batches of this at least. Okay, I think we're pretty coated. Now, also what I like to do is, I also like to go on and add some powdered sugar to the bottom of my bag. Okay, and you guys, this is really how I do this because it's easier for me to kind of control the bag if it's on the floor. You know, it's hard for me to lift the bag, especially if I'm doing this by myself. It's hard for me to lift the bag or try to reach up to get this inside the bag, okay? So when I do this by myself, this is the easiest way for me to do it. Okay, so it's got it all in the bag. Now we're going to add some more powdered sugar. You want to make sure that this bag is totally closed. And you shake it. how some of it isn't coated well yet. Let's see, can you see that? I'm gonna add a little bit more powdered sugar, because actually the more powdered sugar you have, the easier it is to get it coated, you know. Totally closed. Make sure your bag doesn't have a hole in it too. Otherwise, you're gonna have a mess. Guys, I was talking about my children enjoying this holiday snack, and my dudette, my Toot, called and I showed her what I was doing. Look at her, she's excited. What you say, Toot?
I'm so excited! Ooh, PPC.
PPC, that's what they call it. PPC for People Puppy Chow. Okay,
Ooh,
I'm trying to. What?
I can't wait.
I say out of all the things that I've baked and I've cooked and I've made, you guys have been waiting on People Puppy Chow.
It's a tradition.
It is a tradition. And I said how much Blaine likes it too.
Yes. I'm going to send her a picture on Snapchat. No worries.
All right.
No worries.
All right, let me get this in this container, you guys. It is the next day, and I decided to close out this video. And I ain't feel like putting no...
You didn't say hey, everybody.
No, this is a continuation of the part one. I've already said hey, everybody.
Oh, I'm sorry.
See, you interrupted me. That's dude number 2 over there trying to tell somebody what to do. But, you know, it's like I'm enjoying my holiday break, and I ain't feel like putting on no clothes. So I'm standing here with my house coat on so we can close this video out with this People Puppy Chow. So like I said, it's the next day, and this is what we put it in. Y'all, that it's like hunks of snow. But when I tell you, my children have been waiting on this. Let me see if I can find a big old cluster like the big hunk. Let me see if I can find one. That's what they be wanting, y'all. When you find a big old hump, a big cluster.
Kool-Aid.
Y'all, I can't find one right now. But y'all, that's the best part. Is when it be like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them stuck together.
Give me one. I'm just gonna touch the one that I touched.
Well, your hands are clean.
I know I just washed them, but I'm just saying I don't want to touch nobody else's food, Donna.
Well, why? You should have used the little scooper thing.
Please don't embarrass me.
I'm not embarrassing you, babe.
Y'all so goofy.
That's your goofy pappy. So y'all, the People Puppy Chow is a family favorite. What you say, honey?
Tradition.
That's dude number 2. He says it's a family tradition.
Let me tell you something.
This is what they have been waiting on.
Your kids gonna be on 100 eating this. It's like eating a ball of sugar.
But it's so good.
It is, but it's
and
like
then when
eating
they
a ball
eat
of
it,
sugar.
and it be all right, their mouth look like this, y'all. What they
It's
look
gonna
like.
be gone.
Look, yeah, this how they be looking when they be.
Give it to them first thing in the morning. Don't give it to them at night, cause you got a problem if
This
you
how
do.
they look when they be done ate it. That's why you have to say that. So y'all, this is good, y'all. Be quiet, Robert. Robert, come to my thumbnail, y'all. This is good. This how my children be looking though when they be eating it. But now, what you doing? Nothing. All over their mouth. Look, baby. You know how they be looking. Come on, so I can get a thumbnail. You wanna do my thumbnail for me?
I got your thumbnail. Give me your thumbnail. It's too short.
What you mean it's too short?
Turn your camera up a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, we kind of get over this way a little bit. Get over. Don't you now see why you want to look crazy? I know that's what you get ready to do. Why you come over this way a little bit?
Why you gonna come all the way over here?
I mean, cause I can put my words up here.
Yeah, put some
You
in your
got.
mouth.
I ain't putting that on my mouth. I ain't going.
I would.
Why you holding it like a baby? Well, they got to see it. We can go hold it so they can see it. You so goofy. Anyway, you guys. So, what do number 1, 2? I wanted them to see you.
Hey.
Y'all, he's sitting over there eating some Bojangles chicken.
Yeah, he messing with some real meat. This ain't got no meat.
Bojangles chicken. Let me see. Did I get
Ain't
all
no
that?
meat on this.
Did I get all that off my lip, y'all? He come, y'all. He gonna come and say, hey.
Oh, by the way, world, he finna get a haircut.
Why you always gotta talk about his hair?
No, we gonna fix that.
I thought you was coming. You changed your mind.
What in the world? Anyway.
You was looking for something. Oh, Lordy. But we appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. This what you been waiting on, baby?
Let's go home right there.
That's not a... No, we talking about a big
That's
cluster.
not it.
It's a big cluster.
The ones to be like this big.
Do this. Go get the bowl off the table. I wasn't gonna let... Right there to the right. Get the bowl. I wasn't gonna tell him it was some more in there because they green. Yeah. It's probably what we should have used to do. Is it a cluster in there? See y'all look. Ooh wee. It's more. Does that mean y'all done ate the
I thought y'all was
clusters?
searching for gold.
It's gold.
We was looking for a big hump. Anywho, well y'all, what ends up happening is you end up with a big old clump together like
Let me tell you
this, y'all.
When you gotta put water in your juice, you know it's too sweet.
Oh, and I didn't, babe, be careful like you about to spill it. Okay, so you guys and y'all so much for watching. Happy holidays.
Push the nosy.
Merry Christmas. Y'all, we eating this and red velvet brownie cake.
All the
pound
rules
cake.
going out the window. God don't just got shot.
I've been doing terrible, y'all.
I'm gonna tell you,
Thank y'all.
I've been doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm eating everything.
Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. We already look forward to you joining us again next time. I wish I could give y'all some.
I don't. Y'all better learn how to make it.
It's the sweetest.
Y'all stingy. Okay. Bye.
It's the nosy.